Have you ever wondered why some nougats are delightfully chewy while others are disappointingly soft? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind nougat to uncover what makes it so irresistibly chewy. Nougat has a rich history dating back centuries, traditionally made with honey, sugar, and egg whites. These ingredients create a soft and chewy texture that is both unique and beloved. One critical factor in achieving the perfect chewiness is the temperature of the sugar syrup. When heated to between 300 degrees F and 310 degrees F, the syrup sets properly and contributes to nougat's signature texture. Aeration is another key process. By incorporating air bubbles into the sugar solution, we create a light and chewy nougat. Insufficient aeration can result in a surger syrup, dense, hard texture instead. Egg whites play a crucial role due to their proteins, which allow them to form light and airy foams. This unique property is essential for creating the fluffy texture that enhances chewiness. Over time, some manufacturers have introduced new ingredients to create a harder, more brittle nougat. However, traditional methods still produce the classic, soft and chewy texture that many enjoy. Understanding these factors can help you achieve perfectly chewy, homemade nougat. The combination of correct temperature, aeration, and traditional ingredients is the secret to that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Now you know what makes nougat chewy. Try making your own using these tips and let us know how it turns out. What's your favorite type of nougat?